So do you all remember Snapchat games? Basically, they were the games built in within Snapchat. It was a very funny thing. I mean, I didn't even know people really used it, to be honest. But it turns out a lot of people are wondering if Snapchat games are gone now. It looks like a lot of people were playing with them, and now they're trying to figure out if they're still available. Well, the short answer of that is no. They actually ended up removing games on Snapchat, which is very, very weird. Honestly, don't know why they did this. It's very strange. But if we take a look at a release note from the other day, it basically shows that it's funny, right on their website, it says games on Snapchat. And it says important. Games are no longer available on Snapchat. Now, this is on their own website, help.snapchat.com. So it looks like what happened a few days ago, it's February something today. A few days ago, what ended up happening was Snapchat ended up removing support of these games. Now, I'm not really too sure why. For one, to be fair, I didn't really know too many people who played games on Snapchat in the first place. So that's probably something. But I know a ton of people who probably have started playing games on Snapchat and it looks like they're no longer available, which is honestly kind of crazy. So now you don't have the ability of, sending a game to somebody and then playing it via Snapchat. I do remember when it first came out though, it was a pretty crazy experience. I remember a lot of people going through and actually getting hyped up about this. But then I think shortly after, or not even shortly after, the same people who would play games on Snapchat, they ended up just playing games via iMessage. So they would just play pool and whatnot. And I think a lot of people just end up going down that direction since it's easier a little bit. And I guess Snapchat, maybe nobody really uses Snapchat that much anymore, but I'm sure a lot of people still do. So basically, the short of it, Snapchat games are no longer available. Maybe if a lot of people want them back, they'll come back sometime, but that's pretty much where we're at. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.